Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 1090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 1090 is making strange noises while cleaning, it's likely due to a malfunctioning motor or a foreign object obstructing the components. If left unattended, this issue can lead to further damage and potentially costly repairs down the line. To tackle this problem, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, tweezers, and some cleaning cloths. First, ensure the device is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Begin by removing the base plate of the Conga 1090. Gently unscrew the screws located at the back, applying a moderate force to avoid stripping them. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the base plate off to expose the interior components. The component that typically fails is the motor. You can locate it by following the wires from the power source. They will lead you directly to the motor assembly. To extract the motor, gently disconnect the wires using your tweezers, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. After disconnecting, unscrew the motor from its mount, again being cautious with the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the motor is out, take your new replacement motor and position it in the same place as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened adequately but not overly so to prevent any damage. Reconnect the wires to the motor, ensuring a snug fit. After everything is in place, replace the base plate by aligning it carefully and securing it with the screws. Now plug in your Conga 1090 and test it to ensure it's functioning smoothly without any strange noises. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the dust and debris from your Conga 1090. Make sure to check for foreign objects that may obstruct the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.